Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a BMW X4 battery. First, gather your essential tools, such as a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Remember to wear safety gloves and eye protection to prevent any potential injuries. The battery is typically located in the trunk or sometimes under the hood. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Next, disconnect the positive terminal and carefully remove any hold-down clamps securing the battery. With the clamps off, carefully lift out the old battery, being mindful of its weight. Take a moment to inspect and clean the battery tray for any corrosion. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new battery securely into the clean battery tray. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, ensuring it's tight and secure. Then, connect the negative terminal, making sure it's also firmly attached. Finally, reattach any hold-down clamps to prevent the battery from moving while driving. You're almost done. Close the hood or trunk and start your BMW X4 to ensure everything is working correctly. Keep an eye out for any warning lights on the dashboard. It's important to note that new batteries often require registration with your vehicle's system. This registration process helps optimize charging and significantly extends the new battery's lifespan, ensuring peak performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.